which loom is right for you. In our earlier videos, you must have seen a few looms like the rigid heddle looms and the Inkle looms. We also carry a few more interesting looms, all incredibly easy for beginners. Today, let's see them all together and discuss which one is right for you. The rigid heddle loom is perfect for making scarves, towels and fabrics for bags and even simple garments. It balances simplicity and versatility. It's easy to set up and weave on. Ideal for people who want to experiment with colors and textures. With Inkle looms, you can weave narrow sturdy bands. You can make dog collars, camera straps, dress trims and many more. Here also you can start with simple patterns and move on to complex stuff if you wish. If you feel there's a budding artist in you, you should consider the frame looms. Simple and straightforward, ideal for small tapestry projects for wall hangings. You can do creative explorations without any limits and make unique art pieces. All looms have different personalities. The rigid heddle loom for larger projects, the Inkle for small narrow bands, and the frame for free-form creativity. Then we have the multi-shaft looms. If you're driven by patterns, geometry and shapes, this is the one for you. It has a little longer learning curve compared to the looms we saw earlier, but totally worth checking out. Together they cover the whole spectrum of hand weaving. No matter which loom you choose, each bring joy and imagination to your life. Now the question is, where will you begin?